Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two easy methods on how to fix error codes 0x80070035. The network path was not found here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this small window called Run. Where here you need to type for regedit. Again, type for register edit and then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you've the click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to proceed and see a new window called registry editor. Okay, so here you need to go with at the left side of the screen and go with HK local machine. Then click the forward arrow and then you need to go with system. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to go with current control set. Click this forward arrow. So this is a pretty long registry path. Just have to follow, okay? And you can simply pause this video so that you can follow what I am just performing here, okay? So you have to go with current control set, and once you're here, look for services. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to type for L here. Just select any of these file folders and type L in your keyboard. And this time you need to look for landman. Okay, so I can see it here. Okay, so here at the landman workstation. Okay, so just have to go with landmark workstation, then click this forward arrow, and this time you need to select on parameters. Okay. Now here's the catch. If you have a value here which is allow insecure guest auth, okay, again, if you have a value here allow insecure guest auth, just have to change the value data into 1. Okay. But in your case, if you don't have just like mine, you need to follow what will I do here, what I'll be doing here. Okay, here at the area where it is a blank area, just have to do a right click, go with new, and then you need to scroll down and go with keyword 32-bit value. Okay, here you need to name this allow insecure house. Again, type for allow insecure guest. Sorry, it is lacking with guest auth. Okay, so just have to type for allow insecure guest auth and then click on enter. And the moment you have the click on it, just have to double tap it and here a small window will appear. You need to change the value data into 1 and then you need to click on OK. Okay. Once you're done, simply close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Okay, so there is a need to restart your computer to make any changes on what we have just performed earlier. Okay, once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our last step, which is we will be navigating the same process, which is we need to press Windows and R key together again and this time, please type for ncpa.cpl. Once you've typed that, please press OK to proceed. To the moment you've the click on it, you'd be redirected to this new window which is called Network Connections. Now here's the catch. You need to identify what network cable or what network adapter that your Wi-Fi, I mean your laptop is connecting to. Sorry. Okay, just have to identify if you are connected to a network cable, then go with this. But if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then go with this. And since I am using a Wi-Fi right now, so I am going with this. Okay, anyway, they have the same or similar options. Okay, here you need to do a right click, scroll down and go with properties and the moment you click on it, the Wi-Fi properties window will appear. You can see an option there which is install and uninstall. Please go with install and then it has this three options. Go with protocol and then click on add. The moment you've the click on it, just have to select this reliable multicast protocol and then click on OK. Once you have the click on it, just have to wait until it will be installed in your Windows. Okay? The moment you have installed that, please restart your computer. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. Hopefully those two steps helps you to fix your problem. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.